Alright, I've made a couple videos, haven't posted them yet. Probably not going to post those, just post this one instead. If it doesn't come out sideways and crazy, hopefully it doesn't come out sideways. I'm not good at this stuff. So, power supply is semi-working. I don't have the control board. I don't have a control board in yet to do voltage and current control. So we're not quite there yet. This is just basic playing just to see if we can do anything dangerous. I had a power supply fault. Not important. I was just seeing if I could get away with something, and apparently I can't. There was a loop current in there, so I can't get away with what I'm trying to do. The tap switch, the lights really aren't working the way I want them to. I didn't count on that, but you know, whatever. We have half a tap switch in, so we got taps 1 through 4. So low bank will work, and we're just playing with this right now. The wires aren't warm. That's good. I'm gonna have to do something better than this, because if I push on it, yeah, that's not. Is it shorting to something? No, it's not shorting. Wait, is it? Oh, I think it is. Okay. May have found the problem. Okay, well, we'll just leave it alone. Sometimes traces are too close to the standoffs, and you gotta use plastic standoffs and stuff like that, so stupid. You make a proto board and then you make the pads too close to the hardware. Stupid. What are you gonna do? It's this fucking world. People don't count on these things. So anyway, we got the Hewlett-Packard hooked up right now as the base drive to the predriver, and that's important because a predriver steals a little bit of the collector current and uses it to drive the base. So you need the predriver to drive the array, and it's not even warm. Okay, so we got the Hewlett-Packard set up to do the predrive, which is the job of the main control board, but we're not there right now. I didn't want to look at the damn thing. I'll probably have to hotwire that thing to get it working. I don't know if I can do that or not. So we got some taps. We're at 0 volts right now, and we're set on half ohm full load, half ohm 2 kW, full 2 kW capacity. So let's give it a little bit of drive. And you'll hear the relays kick in as the range changes. Since we're about max at the moment, 14 volts, 26 amps. And she'll just sit here. She don't care. Now we need to adjust the ranges for optimal overlap, of course, but you know, we'll get there. So these guys they're not warm yet. They may get warm. We're designed for 30 amps, so this is pretty close to the design maximum, but the power supplies can supply probably 42 out of 50. It's really not bad for a torture test. We'll have to see more as we get more of the taps working and the the shunt. Ooh, shunt's hotter than shit. Wow. It's passing 30 amps, it's gonna be hot. Yeah, Teflon wire's doing fine. This Teflon wire, that's why it's thinner. This is just PVC. Yeah, it's doing okay. Wow. Damn, that boy's hot. Those aren't going to be hot, of course. Wow. Probably have to heat sink that guy. 26 amps flat out. How do you like that? Not bad. Not bad at all. This is going to make sounds as it banks. Sweet. Maybe 30 degrees Celsius. It's not hot, but you can detect it. But I'm pretty happy. It's starting to work.